My name is Noé Olivas. I was thinking a lot about healing and the properties that clay has as far as, connecting with earth. I think a lot about prayer, putting my intentions, and as I'm pressing, I'm embedding that energy into the clay. I dedicate myself to my family, my friends, and my community. There's a lot of patience within the clay because you just don't really know how it's going to act. Some of the pots that came out when they were baked, they cracked, and it's accepting that result, but also seeing that beauty within that crack. It's a very intimate thing to say, like, hey, go to sleep with the angels, and figuring out what are angels too at the same time. Our destiny is to love each other. If the angels are saying that, what would a world look like if we actually took that to heart? We can be each other's angels. We have the potential to be that.